Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn HTML5. Before starting HTML for standard 8, we are going to revise standard 7 basic HTML tags. So to write HTML code, we require Notepad. So here you can search for a Notepad or you can go to the accessories and open a Notepad. HTML code. HTML is used to create a web page. So here it is going to create a, we are going to create a web page and we require to write a code for that. Here, as you all are aware of, that HTML start with HTML tag and ends with HTML tag. Every slash HTML tag. Everything come in between these two tags. HTML code divided into two parts, head part and a body part. Head part contains the title of a web page and body part contains the body of the web page. Here head. HTML is not a case sensitive language. To write a title, we require a title tag. First web page. We are just giving the title and we are closing it. Now we have completed our work with the head tag, so we are going to complete that. Now second part is a body part. As I said, head tag is used to show the heading of a web page. Body part is used to show the contents whatever we wanted to display on the web page. So here I want to display, this is my web page. Okay, and I'm going to close this tag. Now how you can save? So you can go to the file, save as, save the file on a proper place or on a proper folder. Here I'm giving first, it is compulsory to save the file with .html extension or .htm extension and save it. Now how you can run the file, how you can see the output? So you required a web browser. Here I am using Internet Explorer. As I got this, I am going to open, Control O to open a file. I am going to browse and from whatever folder I have saved my file, I am going to open and OK. See, first web page, we have given a title as a first web page, it is showing here, and the body of the part. Now next is web page is a must be an attractive, right? So simply we can give a background color, text color, font style, etc. So let's see how to give a very firstly background color. So how to give a background color? The background color we can give from the body. It is called an attribute. How to write it? So we can write style equals to, in a quotation, background dash color colon whatever color you want to give. For example I want to give yellow color, semicolon and quotation over. You can save your file, go to the web page. Now it is not compulsory to run the file again and again. You can refresh your file via F5 or from here. See, you can see the background color. Now next is a text color. How you can apply text color? So here you can apply text color in the same via comma, next attribute, text equals to, in a quotation, color, whatever color you want to give. For example I want to give red color, semicolon and quotation over. Save your file, go to the Internet Explorer, F5. Color may vary because of a web browser. Now next, as we have written this, for example this is my title, this is my first page is a title and I want to make type it in a center, so we can use center tag. and it is compulsory to close center tag. Let's check. You can refresh it. Okay, as I said, this is a title of my web page. So there are different heading tags available from h1 to h6. So you can use heading tag to display it in a heading. For example, I want to display in a h3. Each and every heading tag contains different size of a heading. It is compulsory to close when you have opened your head tag. Go to the end, F5. Another thing is, if you wanted to give a new paragraph, so you can use a p tag, paragraph tag. You can write whatever you wanted to write. New paragraph. You can go and F5. You can see now paragraph tag used to give leave a space, leave a one line between two lines. It is not going to show differently. Next is a BR tag. BR tag is used to break a line. If you are writing something in a same line, if you want to break that line and come to the new line, then you can break a line. New line. See, for example, if I'm writing something here again, for example, so it will come with a new line. If you want this into the new line, then you require to use BR tag. Next is, if you wanted to change the font style, so how you can? So using a font tag, you can change a font style. For example, there are different styles available. Font styles are you can apply font as it is bold, font family. From font family you can change the font family. Font size you can change. Font style, for example, bold, italic, underline, etc. you can using a font tag. So here we are just changing font style using font family. Font family, whatever family you wanted to give, for you will get the idea from format, font. Here font families are available, different font families. For example, I want this, so you can just copy it, Control C, or else you can write the same here. I'm just taking it, semicolon, and over. As you have started tag font tag, you require to close it. Font, refresh, it has changed. Another is a font size. If you wanted to change the font size, then also you can, same as font family. Now if you have closed this font tag before this line, so it is not going to affect the last line. Let's see that. See, again is different. Is that so? The first line is also different, heading is different, this is different, up to line is different, again is different. So these are the basic tags of a HTML. Thank you.